Have you ever read a sentence and instantly knew it was a question before even finishing it? That's the magic of the question mark. Today, we'll learn what it is, how to use it, and the common mistakes to avoid. Definition. A question mark is a punctuation mark. It goes at the end of a direct question. It shows that the sentence is asking for an answer, not just making a statement. Examples. What time is it? Where are you going? Can you help me? Rules of using question mark. Number 1. Direct questions. Direct questions always end with a question mark. Examples. Who is your favorite author? How many ounces are in a pound? Why is the sky blue? Are you ready to go? You're coming with us, right? Number 2. Indirect questions. Here's an important rule. Indirect questions do not take a question mark. Even if they sound like a question, they are written as statements. Examples. I wonder why she said that. Could you tell me where the restroom is? She asked if you were feeling better. Adding a question mark here is a common mistake. Number 3. Series of questions. If you have multiple questions in one sentence, only the last one takes a question mark. Example. Who drew that picture? Where did you find it? And what is it supposed to be? In casual writing, you can give each one its own question mark, but in formal English, just the last one. Number 4. Question marks with quotation marks. If the question is part of the quote, the mark goes inside. She asked, "What time is it?" If the whole sentence is a question but the quote itself isn't, the mark goes outside. Did she say, "I'll be there at 7 o'clock"? Number 5. Question marks with parentheses. If the question is inside parentheses, put the mark inside. I don't know. Do you? If the sentence itself is a question, put the mark outside. What time is it? Is your watch working? Remember, use question marks for direct questions. Don't use them for indirect questions. With series, usually only the last one gets a mark. With quotes and parentheses, placement depends on context. Examples. Number 1. Where are you going? Number 2. What time does the movie start tonight? Number 3. May I please have some more water? Number 4. You're coming to the party, aren't you? Number 5. She asked, how was your day?